gift, but it's Inspector gift to you, okay? I worked on the force over 10 years.
I'm his assistant, Piper Daniels. Call me Pipes for short. And we're looking for a thief, see?
That's right. We're looking for a thief.
Yeah.
Someone who's stolen something, taken something that wasn't theirs to take.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen.
It looks like poison.
Poison? Your attention, please. Attention, please. Attention, please.
And now the moment we've been waiting for is here.
One of the bodies.
I have something to tell you.
It's missing. Suddenly, it's missing. Someone swiped it.
What do you know? She was everything to me. I didn't poison her.
These don't really prove anything. So maybe we should review the suspects.